Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to connect two routers together. So these are some networking basics skills. So if you want to connect two routers together and configure IP addresses on the interfaces and ping each other, so this will be our goal. And I'm gonna be using the Cisco Packet Tracer. You can download this software from the internet. So first off, we're gonna be selecting the device, which device we're gonna use. So I will just use 2911, and the second one I will use 2911 as well. So first off, we're gonna make a connection between these routers. So you go to connections, and you'll say automatically. So this first one is the. So if you see, it's automatically choose connection type. So it will automatically choose whichever is the best connection between them. So as you can see, both of them are connected on gigabit Ethernet 0/0. So this is the interface we're gonna be looking at. So first off, just double click on the router. It will show you how the device looks like and what are the modules installed in it, and also some configuration that you can do from here. But we're gonna be using the CLI since we want to learn. So as you can see, we have the router's user mode here. So in order to have more commands enabled, we will go to the enable mode. From here we will go to configure terminal. So when you go to the configure terminal, you can configure the device basically. So first off, we're gonna rename this router. I'll just show you how to do that. So you do source name, and then you do R1, which is the name of the router. Press enter, and then we're gonna be configuring the interface. So as you know, we have the gigabit Ethernet 0/0 as the interface connected to the other router. So we will be configuring that one. So interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Press enter. So now you are inside the configuration of the interface. So first off, we have to unshut the interface. By default, all the interfaces are shut. So we'll do no shutdown to unshut the interface. You can see that our interface is now up. So we go so next step is to configure the IP address. So we'll do IP address, and can select any IP addresses, but remember that both of the IP addresses have to be IP addresses have to be from the same subnet. So we select 10.10.10.1, and the subnet mask should be 255.255.255.0. Press enter, exit. So basically we want to save this configuration. So we'll do copy running config, startup config. Press enter, and all of our configuration is now saved. Now we move to the other router, do the same steps. So as you can see that on this router we have like configuration dialog. So whenever you start the new router, you will see this screen. So first step you have to do is select no. So the reason we are doing no is we want to configure we want to do the custom configuration. We want to configure our own way. If you do go through this dialog, it will ask a step of configuration that you want to do. So it's a very lengthy process, so we don't want to do that right now. So you select no, and then enter, and then you have the user mode. So similarly, we go to the enable mode, and then to configure terminal. Then we want to rename the router, so host name R2, and then you can see our router's name is changed. Then we'll go inside the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. First step is to unshut the interface, no shutdown. After that, we will assign the IP address 10.10.10.2. So the other one was 1, and we give .2 to this interface. 255.255.255.0 is the subnet mask. Press enter. So now our IP address is assigned. We go exit one more time. We're gonna save the configuration, copy running config, startup config, press enter. and now both of our devices are configured. So we can test it by pinging the other side, 10.10.10.1. So it will take 1 or 2 ping packets to discover the device, and then you can pretty much ping without any issues. So both of our devices are up. We can see the green lights, and that's how you configure 2 devices, configure IP addresses, change host names, and ping each other. So that's what I showed you in today's class. So in more videos later on, I will show you how to configure routing protocols, how to configure other services on the router, and I'll go in more detail, but these are the pretty much the basic steps or basic configurations on the router. Thank you very much for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Take care. Bye.